well-earned break. Got my coffee, time for some Facebooking maybe. Look, one of those little surveys. Why not? Got time? Let's do the survey, shall we? No one's watching me here at work. I can get away with a bit of a break. Right, what's the survey all about? Where was I born? Aha. Cool. What's my street number? Just so that we can check out the randomness of this survey. Oh, this number. Right. What's your favourite colour? Yep. Who's your favourite friend? Favourite pet name? Your first teacher at school? Mother's maiden name? Oh, look at that. I got a score of 15%. Fantastic. Cool. Right. Just do a little bit of a post. Not a bit of a post. Oh, what's happened today? Having a good coffee break. So, yeah, I'll put that on Facebook too. Why not? Another survey. Aha, here we go. Love these things. Right. Okay, for your privacy, we're not going to ask you the number on your street, but just tell us the suburb. No worries, that's safe. They don't know the number on my street. All right, now let's have a look. What year was I born in? Seems fairly safe. They haven't asked where I was born. It's a different survey. Yep, no worries. Yep, and done. That's 2. Cool. All my friends get to see all this information about me now. They didn't know that before. Might help them remember my birthday. Bit of news. Another survey. Oh, these are fun. Right, what's this one about? Okay, this one's asking what's the name of my street. But again, for privacy, it's not asking the street number and it's not asking the suburb. No worries, fill that out. Cool. A few more questions here. Right, and we're done. Right, now I should probably just check a few things with my MyGov account, hey? Log on and see where things are at there. Just go and log on. So, what's the secret answer to this question? My mother's maiden name. Here we go. Your favourite pet's name? Yeah. And your favourite teacher at school? Oh, these security questions, they're so cool, aren't they? Stop you from getting hacked, no worries. Someone's changed my password. How could they do that? They don't know my security questions. They don't know my security answers. How could they have changed my password? What's going on here? What? Nah, they can't change my password. They could always, have second factor authentication and have it ring through to my phone and put the little number in and reset my password again. Just go and reset it. Yep. Right, let's have a look. When was it changed? About 5 minutes ago. From Venezuela. I wasn't in Venezuela. What could be going on here? Ever get the feeling you're being watched? Yes. We've got the logical ones here, cameras and things like that. But everything you do online can be watched. Just because a survey or some piece of information doesn't seem in your mind to be linking to some other piece of information. Who writes these surveys? Who sends out these requests for information? Have you ever checked to see if they're all linked? And maybe building up a whole database about everything about you? Have you ever thought those things that are private to you, confidential to you, are like a key to your life, a key to your secret passwords for your MyGov account, for your banking account, who knows what they're for, but they're the key to your life. Here you are online filling out surveys that seem innocuous, and these surveys may come to you over weeks. They might not all come at once. Slowly in the background, it's aggregating all this information about you, and put it all together, they can steal your identity. Have you thought about that? Have you thought about the little clues that you leave behind? Maybe you have a Twitter account, a Facebook account, LinkedIn, Discord, YouTube. There are thousands of different types of accounts out there. And all of them have what we call metadata, and in fact some of it's just tags. And all this data can be pulled together onto big machines that process things and work things out, and before they know it, they've actually got your middle name, they've got your nickname in school, they know what grades you had, everything's all aggregated together. So people, please, privacy online, practice it. Obviously, make sure you've got good passwords so no one can get this information directly from information you have, like emails, things like that. But please, please, please be careful with your information. Now, this affects you whether you are at home or in a business. If you get access to my Gov account, isn't that linked to my business registration and other things to do with my business, like maybe also transport is safe, my car registrations and things like that? Could I wake up tomorrow and somebody has re-registered a vehicle of mine in another name and is doing something with it? Or who knows, maybe they've registered their vehicle in my name and they're running through speed lights, cameras and things like that. So think about it, people, with your business, with your staff and what you're doing. Please, please, please tell them your information is a key. It's a key to your life. It's also a key to your business life. And let's try and stop this information getting out there. Now, here at BTP, obviously, we're very big on things like second factor authentication, where you might actually be able to log into something, but then your mobile phone rings, or it has an SMS on it, or you get an email or some kind of a code on an app on your phone to verify not only is this the password, but this is a device which proves at the time when I signed up that I am who I said I am, and it's a secondary way, or in some cases multi-factor way, of actually proving your identity. If you need to set up multi-factor authentication or second factor authentication, then please, please ask us about it. We can do it for Office 365, we can do it for accounting packages, we can do it for all kinds of things. Second factor authentication is worth thinking about. If you're not using it, ask us how to use it, ask us how it can affect you or how it can work with you, and let's make you more secure. That's today's message. Have a great day.